Hey guys, this is Devansh from the Youth Project and I'm going to tell you about what is Git. So in our IT career, now and then we heard about this term Git, and believe me, this is a really important topic you must know. This is a very important tool that every programmer, regardless in which technology he or she is working, he must know this. Okay, so now let's think about a situation where you guys are building a calculator and you are a team of 5 people. Now you decided that someone will work on the add feature, the other guy will work on the subtract feature, the other guy will work on the multiplication, and so on. So now I am a part of team and I was given the addition feature. Okay, now think of a situation that I have completed my work and I have to submit this work somewhere. Okay, then where would I do that? Because with the feature addition, I cannot say that I have built a calculator. So all the programmers who are working on different features would be contributing their work, would be submitting their work to a single place. Okay, I will be submitting addition feature, someone else would be submitting multiplication feature, someone else would be submitting subtraction feature, and so on. And then after submitting the code to a single place, we can say that we have collectively coded a calculator. We have built a calculator together. So that's where Git comes into play. So basically, Git is used to collaborate and work together as programmers. Regardless of where you are situated, regardless you can see each other, you don't know each other, you can contribute to a single project through Git. That's why it is a very important tool. Git is a source control management. From source control, what do we understand? It is a software, it is a tool by which you can manage your source code. That's why it is called a source code control management system. You can collaborate with multiple developers who are working on a single project and so on. Something like this. So there is a single place in the green, and different programmers are submitting their tasks and merging them into the green branch, into the green line. The blue programmer is working on 3 tasks. He is merging then it to the green line. The orange programmer, he is completing his task and merging it to the green line. So in this way, multiple programmers can work on a single project collectively. This is the first and the most important utility of Git. So let's talk quickly about the Git architecture. As I told you, all the programmers working on a single project submit their work to a single place. Now, what does that place is? That place is this remote server. Okay, and the default name of that server is origin, and the programmer, that is you can push to this server, this remote server from your machine, and similarly you can pull the code, whatever there is on the server, onto your machine as well. So this is the basic architecture of Git. And in this picture, you see that there are 4 developers, developer 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a remote server, and they can push and pull to and from this remote server. There may be more than one remote servers as well. Let's say developer 1 has 4 tasks in his plate. Developer 2 has 2 tasks, developer 4 has just 1, and developer 3 has just 1. So what the developer 1 can do, they can create their own remote server on their local. Just a copy of a remote server 1 on their local, and commit those 4 tasks onto their local server, and once they have something meaningful, they can merge that local remote server into the main server. Similarly, the developer 2 can commit two of the tasks onto his local remote server and then merge into the main remote server. So that is the reason why Git is also called distributed version control system. I hope you guys are clear. In the next video, I'm going to take you through these commands, these basic commands of Git, which every programmer should know. Stay tuned. Thank you.